This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Spark plugs replacement. While you are waiting for the engine to cool, check the new plugs for defects and adjust the gaps if necessary. The gap is checked by inserting the proper thickness gauge between the electrodes at the tip of the plug. Spark plug manufacturers recommend using a wire-type gauge when checking the gap. The gauge should just slide between the electrodes with a slight amount of drag. If the gap is incorrect, use the adjuster on the gauge body to bend the curved side electrodes slightly until the proper gap is obtained. If the side electrode is not exactly over the center electrode, bend it with the adjuster until it is. Also check for cracks in the porcelain insulator. If any are found, the plug should not be used. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. With the engine cool, remove the ignition coil from one spark plug. Pull only on the coil boot, do not pull on the wire. A plug wire removal tool should be used if available. If compressed air is available, use it to blow any dirt or foreign material away from the spark plug hole. The idea here is to eliminate the possibility of debris falling into the cylinder as the spark plug is removed. Place a spark plug socket and extension over the plug and remove it from the engine by turning it counterclockwise. Apply an anti-seize compound to the threads of the new plug to facilitate future removal. Thread one of the new plugs into the hole until it can no longer be turned with your fingers. It's a good idea to slip a short length of rubber hose over the end of the plug to use as a tool to thread it into place, particularly if the cylinder head is made of aluminum. The hose will grip the plug well enough to turn it, but will start to slip if the plug begins to cross-thread in the hole. This will prevent damaged threads and the accompanying repair costs. Tighten the spark plug to the specified torque setting. Attach the coil to the spark plug using a twisting motion until it is seated on the plug. Repeat the procedure for the remaining spark plugs, replacing them one at a time to prevent mixing up the ignition coils. Be sure to attach the plug wires to the respective retaining clips when finished. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.